Why does your scanner show the P0363 engine code? What does it mean? P0363 is a diagnostic trouble code for misfire detected or fueling disabled. This error code indicates it means the vehicle's computer, PCM or ECM, detected a severe engine misfire and intentionally shut off the fuel supply to the affected cylinder to prevent damage to your catalytic converter. Under this circumstance, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle: worn ignition parts, fuel delivery issues, engine compression loss, air or fuel imbalances, sensor failures. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2-equipped vehicles, especially in those manufactured since 1996, and it is commonly found in vehicles like Ford, Chevrolet, Toyota, and Honda. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.